Imagine waking up to a video of 1,000 humanoid robots perfectly synced, performing tactical drills with assault rifles. It looks like a scene straight out of a Hollywood blockbuster, right? Well, lately, these clips have been exploding across social media, leading everyone to ask the same terrifying question. Has China actually built a real-life AI robot army? Today on SynthScoopAI, we're peeling back the digital curtain to separate the viral hype from the high-tech reality of China's robotic frontier. Because while those Terminator videos might not be what they seem, the truth of what's actually happening on the ground is even more fascinating, and honestly, a little more intense. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room, those viral videos. You've probably seen the ones featuring the Unitree G1 humanoid robots looking like elite soldiers. Here's the reality check. Those specific clips of robot legions shooting weapons have actually been debunked as clever AI-generated animations. They aren't real footage of a secret training camp. However, don't let that fool you into thinking these robots are just toys. The physical agility of actual Chinese-made humanoids is mind-blowing. We're talking about real machines that can perform autonomous martial arts, intricate sword dancing, and even backflips and parkour with better form than most humans. So while they might not be elite snipers yet, their physical capabilities are very much the real deal. So if there isn't a humanoid infantry division, what is the Chinese military actually doing? They're focusing on something called the wolf pack doctrine. Instead of trying to make a robot that looks like a person, they're building networks of quadruped robot dogs and unmanned ground vehicles that work together in teams. During urban warfare drills, these robot packs are sent in first to scout dangerous terrain and blast through barriers, taking the initial hits so that human soldiers don't have to. It's a practical, high-tech way to lower casualties in the most dangerous combat zones. And it's not just on the ground. China has developed the Atlas Swarm system, which is basically a master controller that allows a single human operator to supervise up to 96 autonomous drones at once. These drones use neural algorithms to talk to each other, dividing up tasks like jamming enemy signals or performing reconnaissance without needing a human to micromanage every move. They've even started deploying armed remote patrol robots in high-altitude border areas where the environment is too harsh for people to stay for long. But here's the secret. China's real robot army isn't in the military. It's in their infrastructure. The scale of their automation is staggering. For instance, the State Grid Corporation has deployed a massive workforce of 8,500 AI robots, including 500 humanoids and 5,000 robot dogs, just to manage and repair high-voltage power lines across the country. Currently, China's operational robot stock has topped 2 million units. This massive commercial market acts as a giant laboratory, allowing Chinese firms to refine their hardware and lower costs faster than anyone else in the world. This creates a dual-use pipeline, where the same technology keeping the lights on today can be adapted for the battlefield of tomorrow. The line between science fiction and reality is getting thinner every single day. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on how AI and robotics are reshaping our world, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to SynthScoopAI. It really helps the channel grow and ensures you never miss a deep dive like this one.